mala nuere ko runwang awen chibron bol tame akuchiri ke twarme la kat ke wum la chwal ke kong do ne tekel mi hier dal ka sudanda ramarwa jej ba wonwa ko ramarwa jej ba wonwa en gare te mi chinga dalan tama pan ka dolo todol me la chwal ke panan artist Bravo Kiss recently ke video ne ke tia cha kamrar ni ke jen joga ma ke lew bulu widina me cha lang nitin gaje ko kono ne bara mo ko ge de wona ne Bravo Kiss take a problem ke tele problem bara mo ko ge ndi ko ge de ko kon bad men kul ben ga yal jene Bravo Kiss kon me wak ne me cha nge dan kon wore chinai wak i yong kan ni akon e bene kul wa ko de le lun ye nore shiga kan yen nore te la na kon me wak ne cha nge dan chinai yong ni ma panan chinai yong ni ma Bravo Kiss Mr. Boss chinai yong ni ma lo na ni je puju wona ne we love you ajen kula wa ko kon di alo ban bete ke few people to sure why ke men kula we ko that those people ko tidde lo naka mi ci ko de ba kon di al kon to porter ko ke kon no re kon di al dir pe ko ne te ci ji target law atikoli lo lut kan wo ba ji ko da ken atami ci ko nyofu wona ne yi itiga problem ndama kon wari regardless of what it is she nyof kon ta pani tika problem ci taka gyen ndama right to dana ko there is no way ko kon wari te ku jula support he dong de ne wa ke ku ne le yong le ci ne yong le ma barai ko to di ndial kan wari mnu ngara e jara jalla ke kan wari dial wo ci ne yong le lo ne ni je wo gari ci Bravo Kiss to ka jen kula wa ka ne dial in this planet ko wonda ka ji du cha ji nok cha te dial te kon ta ga de lat ci chu ngai bo ka ne din ci nok ka jen kula kai ka jen dial mo ji ka ga di ko zike ko ci ka no nok ka yen ji ter ka yen fanane but kon the rest tin ko ken tin follow Bravo Kiss wo dwell wal Bravo Kiss help go Bravo Kiss tenene we are not ci ne yong le ji lot ne ni ji ci ne la ne propaganda ma ci propaganda me la ne lot ne ni je ka nok da ka ji but now but right now ci nyod ne that one ne your true color is you can know of who you are right now and what you're capable to do and what you're capable to do that what you are doing right now insulting the entire world that are supporting you during your madness issue during your illness issue of last month. If there are some people that are indulging you for the different kind of way, we don't know those guys and we don't know your problem between you and them. And that problem, of course, is you and them, not the entire world that you are indulging. You can go straight to them and instead of coming to us. We the supporter of yours. Well, and gentlemen, we are video ni Bravo Kiss, tin cha camera, tin shortage la bega cha ben gwaje jenta mapanya ni the true color of the madness, the true color of the illness. Agani chi Bravo Kiss and you kon tamagar. Anga bela taka dodo. There is no reasonable doubt that me balari the Bravo Kiss is okay. Chuko there is the reasonable that you are mad to point to kajwe. Something wrong somewhere and you need medical attention. Ka medical attention mo ka kan chi mo ro tan da fu ji ka jikel ka kan bi bento abala da mabalat. So you go pull ka social media you normal. You are not normal at all. Because those video you produce or product, they are really not necessarily to be possibility that someone is normal. No, you are not. And you can read all those comments since you start your videos that morning of Friday or Thursday to this day of where I am making this video. So, go to public no rebel one me walk on shank walk on lot can look on you put you to Gadanta. Say, Lamato deal me lot corner, she dear con young Bravo Kiss. one of the Panan, one of the artists of our society, and one of our son. But now Bravo Kids turn it into another weapon that we young Cornige. This is a propaganda, Kokon, when in fact it's not. Well, Genta New Con. And the banner could be Nick Bramo could be Nick. Is this guy normal or not? Is this guy need medical attention or not? Again, Chibron.